Hey there, it's Mr. Buckley. Just wanted to give you a quick overview of the Computer Programming 1 class. Sorry I didn't get this out sooner. Um, but yeah, this is the Canvas course. If you need help getting into Canvas, just let me know. Shoot me an email. Um, First item of business is to check out the disclosure document here. Just talks a bit about the class, and I'll go through it with you. So in this class, we learn a little bit of Python, we learn a little bit of C#. These are programming languages, and you'll get to the point where you can make some software, some programs, and some games, and it should be a good time. You'll be able to pick your projects as we go along, and as you become more competent, you'll be able to start developing your own things. But for the first bit, it's pretty structured as to what you're going to be learning. And then this course is a year-long course, and then the grade scale is here, A, B, C, and F. And then as you go through the course, you can check Canvas. Please let me know if something is unclear. I'm trying to do my best, but I've got 6 different classes I teach in person and online, so I frequently miss stuff, but I love it when you reach out, and I'll help you out. Um, Now let's go ahead and go to the modules. This is where all of your course content will be. Um, and there will be notes and assignments. The notes will kind of be by day, and sometimes those notes will have videos or slides associated with it, or it will have something that you need to read. Um, and then there will be programs, and those are the assignments that you complete. So the programs, let me show you how to make one real quick. Let's do the first one together. Um, so the programs are done in a site called REPL IT. And so let me open that site as well, and fix my screen share so that it will show them. Let's see. Okay, so on the right, you can have you can see the replit.com, replit.com. That's where we're going to be coding, and so you can click the Start Coding button. There will be a sign up page, and then you can click Continue with Google to sign in with your school Google account, and then you should be ready to go. There is, I'll make this full screen for a second. There's a menu on the left that you can toggle with the hamburger button, the 3 lines. And then there's a big button that says New REPL. REPL means code project. And that's what you'll click. Or you can also click the big blue plus in the top right-hand corner to make a project. And the language we will be using is Python. And then this project is called About Me. So that's what I'm going to name it. And then in Canvas, there is a code tutorial that you can follow, so that you can understand how to make the program. For these first couple programs, there will be like a really close step-by-step thing you can follow. And then as you become more competent, you'll start to create your own programs based off of just prompts and other ideas that you may have to infuse as well. So the instructions for this particular program are here. So I'm going to open that. And then this site shows a little example of what your program will end up looking like and how it will function. And then you just go ahead and follow through. You keep clicking the next button. And then importantly, they reference the trinket.io website for making programs, but we're using this REPL IT site. So whenever it says trinket.io, think this REPL site. Oops. We're using the REPL site because it has more functionality than the Trinket one does. So as you go through the tutorial, it'll show you what you need to code. So it looks like they're telling us to write this command, print hello, and then I can hit the run button in my code editor, and it will print the text hello. and then I can go on to the next page. Change the code you just wrote to print something more interesting. Hello, my name is Mr. Buckley. Boom. And there's that. It will print out in the console. So I hope you can see a little bit more about how this class works. Again, the programs are what you turn in. How you turn in an assignment, this will be the last thing, is you select the URL of your REPL project, and you copy it, and then you click Start Assignment in Canvas and paste that URL in the website URL field, and then you hit Submit Assignment. And that'll take care of it, and then you can just go on to the next one and go from there. And then these are the notes that you can read and take notes with. So again, please feel free to email me if you ever run into anything or have any questions. And then last thing to point out, these deadlines, like this program is due, it says Friday, which is tomorrow. I'm making this Thursday night by 11:59. If you turn in something late, I do not dock points, but these deadlines are good guidelines for when you should be finishing things. So if you get a little bit behind, get yourself caught up so that you don't, it doesn't all pile up, which can especially happen with online. All right, I'm done talking. Thank you for coming, and we'll see you later. Bye.